Okay, so hello, future programmers or the programmers. So, today we are going to see how we can generate jokes with Python. This is a very interesting topic, like we can generate jokes with the help of Python. So, we are going to learn how we can how we are going to make a jokes generator program. So for this, there is a library called Pyjokes. We have to import that library, import Pyjokes. We have imported it, and before importing it, you have to install this library using pip install Pyjokes. So what this Pyjokes library meant. So Pyjokes is a Python library for one-line jokes for programmers, jokes as a service. So this is a fun Python library. It returns a random joke from the given category in the given language. And there is more about this Pyjokes library that we can see in the documentation. So this is the documentation of Pyjokes. Uh, we have to see they have also written for, first you have to install it, and then we have to call pyjokes from the command line, or we can add it into our file like import pyjokes. So in this pyjokes function, in this pyjokes library, there we can use this hash c flag also to get jokes from a specific category, and the options we have neutral, chuck, all, or twister. Twister is basically tongue twister. For tongue twister jokes, it is going to return tongue twisting jokes. And if you're going to write see all, we are going to return all category jokes. Chuck is for geek jokes, and neutral is for um, the category which is neutral from all of the mentioned below jokes. Okay, so there is one more library. There is one more documentation that also says the same thing basically. What I have told you. Now we can see how we can make a program for this. So we have imported it. First we are going to fetch one joke only. If we are going to fetch only one joke, then we have to write there is a variable joke one which we have declared, and here we are getting pyjokes dot get joke. So there are in pyjokes library we have two attributes, get joke and get joke s. For if we want to return many jokes, more than one joke, then we are going to use get jokes. But here we let's see how it is going to return only one joke. So we are writing jokes dot get joke one. So let's print joke one, and let's make other lines comment first, and let's run this. Okay, so here, so you have seen it. So you have seen we have run the program, and it is returning a joke. Unix is a user friendly, and it's just very particular about who its friends are. So this is a joke. It is returning only one joke. So if you're going to run it again, it is going to return some other random joke. See, why are you always smiling? That's just my regular expression. Okay, so now this is to return. This returns only one random joke. Now let's use the category. Let's see if we have returning languages English. You can return any languages category. We are putting all. So now if we are going to run this, we are going to get the jokes from all of the categories. Chuck Norris doesn't use Oracle, he uses the Oracle. See, okay. So now let's just make this comment. So now you can change the category. You can try any four of those category: neutral, all, geek category, and there was one more category. You can use neutral. Now make it comment. We will make it a comment and try the neutral category. See, wait, would you like coffee or tea? Programmer says yes. Okay, so now let's make it a comment. and try get jokes function. Okay, so here we want to return more than one joke, so we have declared one more variable jokes, and here we are using get jokes function. Pyjokes dot get jokes, we are putting a language English, and category is neutral. So since we are, it will return more than one, then and more than one joke, so let's just fix how many jokes we want. So let's just declare a for loop, and with the range of 5, that means it is going to return 5 random jokes. Okay, and we are printing joke, wait, yeah, so here it is printing 5 jokes. Okay, now let's just run it. So you can see that it is returning 5 random jokes complaining about the lack of smoking shelters. The nicotine addict Python programmer said there how to be a space for taps. So here, see, here it is returning 5 random jokes. So this is how, guys, you can create your own jokes generator program with the help of Python. So this is a very easy Python program. You can first, for this you have to install Pyjokes library, and this Pyjokes library is going to return you many interesting random jokes. So you can try it and tell me if you find it helpful and useful. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like my channel. Thank you.